Good morning. Jeffrey Friedman, Senior Commodity Broker with RJO Futures, with morning comments on the stock index futures, and today, September 7th. Now, the word of the day, and I always give you the word of the day. The word of the day is employment. Big number today because it's a monthly number. Everybody's very concerned about employment. Before we get to the results of that, which are already out, let's rewind. And we had a huge rally in the stock index futures, kind of another leg up, breakout, new highs, higher highs than January of 2008 or around that level. And what caused it was the extreme buying power that the ECB said they would do for any country that needed help in the ECB. Okay, so they're trying to buy bonds, making yields go down, yields go up on the thought of risk of default. More return for more risk. Economics 101. So they'll buy it, forcing yields down and putting them back in line that we're not in a crisis in Europe. Now, let's go forward to right now. The employment report, it was disappointing, okay? I must say we were less than 100,000. We are looking for about 130, give or take. What does that mean? One more notch for Big Ben to go in his helicopter, throw out a lot of money, and say QE3 is coming. So bad news is good, and again, that's where we're at. So the rally should continue even with bad news. People are not getting hired, okay? Now, also overnight, we heard that China, another power play, is going to do some kind of stimulus, and in Asia, their stock indexes were rallying before our unemployment came out. So what does that mean? You got three world powers, Europe, China, America, all leaning towards additional stimulus to make the economy or global economy work. Okay, real quick, I know that I went too far, but I wanted you to get it for the whole weekend. Think about that, the markets like stimulus. Here are we in the September S&P future contract, we are looking for 1445 as resistance. We're looking for a target. If we could ever get above 1445, your next resistance area would be 1460. We're around 1435. The key number to keep in your mind and write down would be where the bears kind of take control, would be 1409. It was a lower number before, but because we keep making higher highs and higher lows, we have to move that turning point a little lower. And of course, if we go underneath that on a closing basis 2 days in a row, then obviously we could get as low as 1377. That was our old number, and we've moved it up to around 1409 according to classical technical analysis. Remember, always, you should be calling me, and we can give you specific entry and exit points on any market for any kind of methodology you want. We can talk about that, but remember always, trading futures or option to futures involves risk of loss, not suitable for everyone. You should be calling me or email me. Have a great weekend. Good luck, good trading.